Hey guys, welcome to Gait for YouTube. It is freezing here in Tucson now, so your coach, she's got on long coverings here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna show you some endurance, fat burning, and speed work. So what we're gonna do, because this stuff is so heavy, we are gonna swim as fast as we can down to that end. We're gonna do some plyometrics. So we're gonna jump up and down, and then we're gonna box, running box. And when we get to this deep end, we're just gonna push through. We're gonna come back here and do 10 pull-ups. You guys ready to get going? Get your goggles on. I'm gonna get out here, get my stuff on. Actually, this is a little bit trickier. Bloopers. You guys love my bloopers, I know. Let's get this on. It's because it's so cold here that these moldings are cold. Okay. So, 10 pull-ups, and then we're gonna rock and roll. Okay, guys, ready? So you're just gonna, when you do these pull-ups, remember, you pull up and you push down. Okay, here we go. Try to see if you can go under the water too. Freestyle swim as fast as you can, go. Ten pull-ups. Okay, now you're gonna do some, we're gonna jump up and down for 10. Okay, here we go. Okay, you're gonna box. Now when it gets deep, you're gonna tread and box. It's not easy. Then come back here, 10 more pull-ups, let's go. Repeat again, here we go. Here we go, hop ups for 10, go. Now box. You're out here in the deep end. You've got shoes on, heavy clothes. It's super hard. 5 more. Grab the sides, 10. This will be your last set. Here we go. Whew. And there you have it. Sorry about those dogs, guys. But there you have it. So you're gonna, every time you do this, you're gonna go as hard as you can. If you have a bigger pool, go harder. Okay? I think you guys are right there. Anyway, remember to stand in your light, stand in your truth, and always be aware. Also, like and subscribe below. Become part of our family. You can also visit us at keitofit.com. We have products, and if you're in the Tucson area, you can also sign up there to train. I also do myofascial releasing. I'm certified through the National Academy of Sports Medicine, so you are with someone who's been doing this for over 30 years. You have an expert. All right, love you guys. Take care. And I think I already said it, but I can say it again. Stand in your light, stand in your truth, and always be a warrior. Love you guys. Bye.